Some habits do not prove your IQ is low, but they can make you look unaware. The first step is noticing them. Habit 1: Chasing every notification. When your phone controls your attention, your thinking becomes weaker. Habit 2: Ignoring simple instructions. Smart people do not guess everything, they check before they act. Habit 3: Refusing to learn. The fastest way to stay stuck is believing you already know enough. Habit 4: Blaming everyone else. Growth starts when you ask, what part of this is mine to fix? Habit 5: Acting before thinking. A few seconds of patience can save you from hours of problems. Habit 6: Choosing easy distraction over useful effort. Comfort feels good now, but discipline builds your future. The good news? These habits are not permanent. Awareness can turn a bad pattern into a better choice. Start small, pause, read, think, and take responsibility. That alone makes you sharper than most people. Your intelligence is not just what you know. It is how willing you are to grow.